Adding questions to the question bank is actually an easier way to do it because you can use the same question in your quiz during the course as you might want to use on your final at the end of the course. In addition to that, you can always use the question bank questions for multiple quizzes, and other teachers and instructors can use them as well. So to add from the question bank, we have to build the question bank. And the way to do that is we scroll down to the block for course administration under quiz administration here, and we scroll down to question bank, and we import questions in the question bank. Screen does like to jump, so we're going to click import, and we're going to always use the GIF format. It's just so structurally within the text file how it works the best. And we're going to drag and drop a set of questions. So I have some questions here that I've built. We're going to go to these questions, drop them in, and then we're going to import them. And as you see, I've imported 4 questions, and these are the questions that were imported. Continue. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the question, back to the quiz now that they are added. To add questions to a current quiz, go down to quiz administration in the administration block, click on edit quiz. This will give us the quiz that we want to edit. We're going to add questions from the question bank. Now these are all the questions. I don't have to add them all. I could add as many as I want. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Or if there's 300 questions in the quiz bank or in the question bank, you could add those. So let's just add all of them. Let's just go ahead and click on all of them. We'll add selected questions to the quiz. Now we have a 5-question quiz that we can save. Notice that each one of them has 1 point per question per answer, but the maximum grade is still 100 points. All right, so we've saved it. We're going to repaginate it because we want each page, we want all the questions to show up. Now you can say, I want only 1 question or 2 questions or 5 questions to show up per page. Either way you want to do it, but for right now it's defaulted to all the questions are on 1 page. And so that's how you enter the question. Now let's go back to the test course. And now you see here's the quiz. The quiz is ready. So if you click on the quiz, it will open up. And now it says you have 1 attempt that you can take this test. And because you're the instructor, it's going to show you preview the quiz now. One feature that you can do as an instructor is you can switch your role so that you can switch to either a non-editing teacher, which you probably won't use, or a student or a guest. So let's switch to student. And now, instead of saying preview, which the instructor would do, you can actually attempt the quiz now. And when we click attempt the quiz, here's all the test questions. Notice you have a little navigation block here of the tests, and you can have, these are the questions. Each one of the questions is, this is a short answer, true, false, multiple choice, fill in the blank, and several other multiple choice type of questions. So you can build these questions. So if I want to take the test, I'll do that in another video.